Hi everyone, hope you people are doing well and you already watched my previous video in which I give you the tutorial of how to use Power BI in a very basic mode. Today I will show you how to create pie chart in Power BI. So let's move to the data sheet. Here I am writing how to create a pie chart in Power BI. This is a very simple tool, okay, by which you can easily do the analysis for your company, for your data, for any sort of a comparison you can do with the help of data. Okay, so why we are creating the pie chart? In pie chart, we used to take the comparison of two to three things or the multiple things, that what is the ratio of each particular thing and what is the share of that particular things in our company, in our organization, in our project, anywhere, whatever the data you are uploading. So let's move towards another step. Okay, these are the uh, options we have available, in which we have a text box. You can easily create a text box in Power BI and you can write anything whatever you want to write in that particular thing. Secondly, after the writing or after completion of the heading, you can do the formatting in Power BI with the help of this text box. So what is the requirement of this analysis? First requirement is data cleaning. Data cleaning is very important. First of all, I must recommend to you guys that you should upload a clean data in your Power BI data module. So your once the data will be clear and clean, you can easily create a charts with the help of that particular data. If your data is not clean, you might face too much problem in analysis. Maybe even if you are doing in Excel also, there will be a lot of problems you will face in terms of formatting and in terms of data selection. So first of all, you should clean the data. You should do the analysis at the backend, so easily you can get the results in the data view sheet. So here we have the sample data of one of the organization, and what they want, they need a category wise report. Okay, with the help of pie chart, they want to analyze that what is the share percentage of import they are receiving, what is the share percentage of export they are doing, what is the share percentage of transshipment they are doing basically. Okay, so here we will analyze their percentages, their values, then we will do the formatting in pie chart, and how we can paste it into the dashboards. All the things we can learn in this video. So do not forget to subscribe my channel, okay, and press the bell icon button in order to receive the latest videos and learn as much you as you can in your leisure time. And once you will learn this Power BI, it will be very good for your future and it will be very good for your projects. It will help you in your day-to-day presentation, university presentations. Okay, so let's move to the topic. Basically, they also want to know that how much freight ton they are handling based on the category. So what is the category here? Import, export, and transshipment. Now we are moving towards the creation of uh, pie chart, and meanwhile I am also telling you the formatting of this text box. Once you will write how you can do the formatting of the heading or the sentence or the words you are typing in that particular text box. Here you can see that we already have a formatting tab available. See, from here you can easily select the font size. Here you can select the font type. You can bold it. First you have to select the line, then you press the bold, then you can center it or you can align it according to your needs. Here we also have option of effects, in which you can create the visual border, and you can also uh, round the corners of the border by playing with this particular visual border option. Here we have a option of background in which we can do the colors, or we can put any sort of the color. Now I am going to select the data. Mm, okay, we have to select import, export, transshipment. So we are searching here, or also you have an option of searching. You can write in the searching box that I am PORT or whatever the cell name. So you will find that particular table. So it will be a very easy selection. First of all, we are selection total written for all the categories. But as I told you in the start that you should clean the data. So during the cleaning, what I did, I already create three tabs for the import, export, and transshipment, uh, including the freighter. So now we already select, but I will remove freighter from there because I already put into my Excel sheet in export, import, and transshipment column. See, it's very easy in Power BI to create any sort of a chart. Okay, there are many charts available. We will learn one by one in upcoming videos, and you can quickly create multiple type of charts in order to present your data, in order to do visualization in Power BI, and you can also take a lead in your organizations and minimizing the cost, minimizing the time. You can do multiple projects in that particular time. So this is a very useful application if you will learn one by one each and everything. So it will give you the ease in your each and every process. You can create for HR, you can create for finance, you can create for operations, you can create for any sort of the department. This tool is very good for the engineering department as well. So now what we are doing, we are searching for the import, export, and transshipment data. So we can easily show the share, that how much we already handle during the past year, past month, quarterly, weekly, monthly. Here I am showing you that what are the data I have available, what are the analysis I can do easily with this, with the help of this data. I have a month column, I have a day column, I have a week column. Okay, but our target is to create a simple pie chart for the analysis of category wise freight ton. So now what we will do, we will go into the data view, we will write IMP, we will select IMP, then we will write EXP, we will select EXP. Now we will write transshipment, I think SH, then we will select transshipment. Now we will click on pie chart button or visual. We will do the, see, from here you can do the formatting of the created pie chart or any sort of a chart. Like what are the options? There is a legend option. Now I am playing with the legend where I want my legends left, right, center, right, top, center, top, right. So you can select as per your requirement. Now there is option of the text. Here you will select the font size, font type, bold, italic, and the color of the font. After this you also have an option to give a color to your category. Let's suppose I will give yellow color to the import and blue color to the export and vice versa. So you can play in it as per your dashboard theme or as per your company branding or as per your requirement. Now the detail level. Okay, here what we will do, what we want to show, basically we want to show the category, we want to show the data value, we want to show the percentage of the category, we want to show the data value plus percentage. So whatever the requirement from your organization or as per your project, you can display here. For me, the percentage is okay, because I already give legend on the right hand side of my, or left hand side of my chart. So this is the total percentage. You can see that 48.65% is import, 51.34% is export, and 0.01% is transshipment. So this is the share of the category for this company. Now what we are doing, we are checking all the options for you, but we want to do some formatting of the title, legend names, to make it more clear and should be more visible. The most important thing in data analytics, like your visualization is must be a very clear, yani it should be a very in a natural language, that whoever want to read this particular values, he can read easily. Yani he should not go and he should not find that where is the import, where is the export, where is the transshipment. He should find in a quick way, in a quick simple way. So for this one, what are the important things? First of all, we will rename the heading. Okay, we will write category wise Freighton, or we can also write category wise share, share percentage. Then you can easily select the heading style. One, two, three, four, all are available. The font size, font type. Most of the viewers, they requested from me that they want to learn Excel. Okay, although this is a Power BI channel, but I will post some videos for you, to easily create a dashboard in Excel, Microsoft Excel, and how you can do the formatting in Microsoft Excel, how you can connect the server in Microsoft Excel. This all will be in upcoming videos. Now what I am doing, as I told you, that we need to make it more visible, or more easy for our users. So I am renaming all the legends right now, because I did the sum. So it's sum of import. Once I will do the average, so it will be average of import. But now I am renaming it, and I am only writing import, export, and transshipment. Export, transshipment. See, now it's very clear, very visible. Okay, and for you guys, one more additional things, we will create the filters, so by which you can easily select the timestamp, and you can show your boss that in this quarter we reach at this level, in this month we reach at this level. It will also minimize your reporting, it will also minimize your extra time for creating the data analytics. It will standardize your all this dashboards, and obviously it will give you a quick insight of your data as well. So now, in order to create the filters, okay, what you have to do, you should have a date column, or you should have a timing or timestamp of that particular month, year, week in your data. Or if you don't have the relation, you can easily create the relation in data model view. Okay, so here are the options, like I need in the drop down or vertical list, but I must prefer drop down. Okay, you should go into the drop down. Here slicer header, I will put filter selection. Here you can see that fonts and everything is also available, so you can create as per your requirement. Where we will place this one, we already minimize the header, so No need for the border, but I will put the same border, or I will change the border of that particular header as well. See, the selection filter is created, but now we need to make some space. So we will align this one, and we need more space for this one. We have to increase the font. It should be more aligned and clear for everyone. The presentation should be good. The yani presentation is very important during the preparation of dashboards. And obviously, once you are representing these reports in front of stakeholders or the external customers or the customers, your presentation should be very good, clear, and your branding should be as per the company branding. Now, see, you can select the quarters. No need to make everyday report or at the end of the quarter report or at the end of the month report. Here you can select the data of January, February, March, April, May, June, July. Okay, here you can select that on date 1 what is the category share percentage, on date 2 of January. So it will be very easy for you guys. And once you will do this one, you will publish your report, which I will explain you in my next video how to publish a report and how to give access to different within your organization. Okay. So you will publish this report, you will give to your manager, your colleagues, you will share internally or externally with your team members so they can easily select from their workstation. Thank you so much for watching my video, and in upcoming videos I will show you how to publish the report, okay, and how to give access. So please subscribe my channel, follow, and if there is any request, please mention into the comment section.